Hello friends, join us in the kitchen as we whip up a soul-warming bowl of Ramadan tomato soup, perfect for breaking your fast during the holy month. In this video, we'll share our beloved recipe for this hearty and comforting soup, filled with the goodness of ripe tomatoes, aromatic spices, and love. Let's dive into the heartwarming flavors of Ramadan together. Ingredients: 6 ripe tomatoes, diced, 1 onion, chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 carrots, diced, 2 celery stalks, chopped, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves for garnish, olive oil for cooking. Heat some olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, diced carrots, and chopped celery. Sauté until the vegetables are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes to the pot, along with the ground cumin, paprika, dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine. Pour in the vegetable broth, stirring to incorporate all the ingredients. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together and the vegetables to become tender. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let the soup cool slightly. Using an immersion blender or regular blender, carefully blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Return the blended soup to the pot and heat it over low heat until warmed through. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed, adding more salt and pepper if desired. Once the soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Serve the Ramadan tomato soup hot, accompanied by your favorite bread or crackers. There you have it, a simple yet satisfying recipe for Ramadan tomato soup that's sure to warm your heart and soul. Whether you're breaking your fast or simply craving a comforting bowl of soup, this recipe is sure to hit the spot. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Ramadan Mubarak.